Hello and welcome. This is Yama speaking and the channel is called Ruby Raven. Today I do want to do another kit from House of Miniatures and it is the grandfather's clock with the number 40083. First I do check if all parts are there. It is my second kit from House of Miniatures. I've already done a big board and I was impressed by the quality of the kit, although the board didn't turn out as pictured on the box. Anyway, this clock, as well as the other board, will be placed in my beacon dollhouse. The clock will be on the first level and the board is already on the third level. Then I sand every piece very smooth. Usually this time I would be working on the parlor because this was the next room I chose to do and I've already started. But somehow I'm stuck there. I have no ideas or delight anymore to work on it right now. So I need something for distraction. Something nice and easy for in between. Something with a success guarantee. And House of Miniatures is. I do some dry fitting and check if all parts fit well and the door can still be opened. Then I stain every part in nut brown. I use wood glue, or also called white glue, and let every part dry. The instruction says to stick the pin through the board above the door, but honestly the hole doesn't reach all the way through the board, so I do add the door whilst gluing it. This is the face of the clock. It is made of soft brass. Following the instructions again, you shall stick the nail through the brass plate, but there is no hole again, so I drilled one myself. The first one was too small, so I had to use a bigger drill. There are so teeny tiny and cute clock hands. They are amazing. Just pointing out the quality again here. They are made of plastic. But again, these holes are too small for the nail. So I use my X-Acto knife to widen it a bit. But I am not brave enough to take even more off the plastic, because I don't want to break it. It is so fragile and I love these. So they fit very tight and won't move once they are put on the nail. I chose to put them on 10 after 12, so it can be midday, it can be lunchtime, or also midnight, a spooky hour. Maybe I want to decorate the whole house for Halloween one day. In front of the clock is a glass panel. Once again, the tutorial says something else. It says it's an acetate panel, but it is not, which makes me very happy. It looks much better with glass, I think. The last step is to wax it. Last time I waxed before gluing it. It was the board that I've already mentioned, but the head was a mistake because obviously glue has no grip on wax. For little nooks, I do use a Q-tip to reach in. I let it dry, or better, cool down, because the wax melted from my body heat from my fingers. And then I take off some wax with a knife where there was too much wax. You can tell where these places are, because when it cools down, it turns white. And it's time to give this clock some love. Thanks a lot for joining me. Have a nice day. Until next time. Bye bye bye.